Tracking and analyzing important metrics. Google Ads. Tracking and analyzing important metrics is a critical aspect of managing successful Google Ads campaigns. Here's a complete walkthrough of the key metrics to monitor from start to finish. 1. Impressions. Impressions refer to the number of times your ads are shown to users. This metric provides an initial indication of your ad's visibility and reach. 2. Clicks. Clicks represent the number of times users click on your ads. This metric directly measures the effectiveness of your ad's messaging and relevance. 3. Click-through rate, CTR. CTR is calculated by dividing the number of clicks by the number of impressions and then multiplying by 100. It indicates the percentage of users who clicked on your ad after seeing it, providing insights into ad engagement and relevancy. 4. Average cost per click, CPC. CPC is the average amount you pay for each click on your ads. It helps you manage your budget and understand the cost-effectiveness of your campaigns. 5. Conversion rate. Conversion rate measures the percentage of users who completed a desired action, such as making a purchase or filling out a form, after clicking on your ad. It's a crucial metric for assessing the overall effectiveness of your campaigns in driving meaningful outcomes. 6. Cost per conversion, CPA. CPA calculates the average cost of acquiring a conversion. It's calculated by dividing the total cost of your campaign by the number of conversions. A lower CPA indicates better efficiency in achieving your conversion goals. 7. Quality score. Quality score is a Google-specific metric that evaluates the relevance and quality of your keywords, ads, and landing pages. It affects your ad's position and cost per click. A higher quality score generally leads to better ad performance and lower costs. 8. Ad position. Ad position indicates where your ad appears on the search engine results page or the display network. Higher ad positions often lead to increased visibility and potentially higher click-through rates. 9. Search impression share. This metric reveals the percentage of times your ads were displayed compared to the total number of times they were eligible to appear. It provides insights into missed opportunities for exposure. 10. Click share. Click share measures the percentage of clicks your ads received compared to the total number of clicks they were eligible to receive. It highlights potential areas for improvement in capturing more clicks. 11. Return on ad spend, ROAS. ROAS measures the revenue generated for every dollar spent on advertising. It's calculated by dividing the revenue from conversions by the cost of the ads. A higher ROAS indicates a more profitable campaign. 12. Ad extensions performance. Monitor the performance of various ad extensions, such as site links, callouts, and structured snippets. Analyze how these extensions contribute to clicks and conversions. 13. Mobile versus desktop performance. Analyze how your ads perform on different devices. This insight can guide adjustments to bidding, ad copy, and targeting for optimal results. 14. Geographic performance. Review performance metrics by location to identify regions where your ads are most effective. Adjust your targeting strategy based on this information. 15. Time of day and day of week performance. Examine when your ads perform best. Adjust your ad scheduling and bid adjustments to align with peak performance times. 16. Search terms report. Regularly review the search terms report to see the actual search queries that triggered your ads. This helps identify relevant keywords, discover new keyword opportunities, and refine negative keyword lists. 17. Ad copy and landing page testing. Analyze the performance of different ad variations and landing pages. A/B testing can help you identify which combinations resonate best with your audience. 18. Return on investment, ROI. ROI measures the overall profitability of your advertising campaigns. It's calculated by dividing the net profit from your campaigns by the total cost of advertising. 19. Ad budget allocation. Track how your budget is allocated across campaigns and ad groups. Adjust your budget distribution based on the performance of different segments. 20. Lifetime value of customers. For long-term campaigns, consider tracking the lifetime value of customers acquired through your ads. This metric helps assess the long-term impact of your advertising efforts. By tracking these important metrics from the beginning of your Google Ads campaign to its completion, you'll be equipped to make informed decisions, refine your strategies, and continually optimize for better results. Regular monitoring and analysis of these metrics will guide your efforts towards achieving your campaign goals effectively.